Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best foam paint roller is probably one of the most versatile and efficient tools in any DIYer's arsenal, capable of delivering exceptionally smooth finishes on a variety of surfaces, from walls and ceilings to furniture and trim, making it an indispensable item for achieving professional-looking results with minimal effort and time, especially when tackling large areas or intricate details where traditional rollers might fall short. Number 5. Yes, for all high-density EPP half-round foam roller. Experience steady support with our high-density EPP foam roller. It's ideal for any stage of your workout, offering smooth, non-slip, and lightweight performance that supports up to 113 kilograms. Discover benefits beyond a round roller. This half roller is perfect for balance exercises, Pilates, and total body workouts, offering outstanding compatibility. Fitness enthusiasts will find this tool irreplaceable for daily practice. Its strong structure and unique shape make it a must-have for your routine. Stay active anywhere with this convenient roller. Use it at the office, gym, or even at home as a footrest, making workouts easier on the go. Choose from a variety of colors and lengths to find your perfect fit. It's easy to bring with you to the park or your office. What we like. This half-foam roller offers firm and durable support, perfect for advanced users. Its unique shape provides versatility not found in round rollers, making it ideal for balance exercises and total body workouts. If you're looking for a tool to enhance your fitness routine with added stability and a unique approach to training, this is a great choice. What people say. The foam roller is designed to provide a smooth and even finish, making it ideal for applying paint to walls and ceilings. Its lightweight construction ensures comfortable handling during extended painting sessions, reducing user fatigue. The roller's dense foam material effectively holds a good amount of paint, allowing for fewer dips and a more efficient workflow. Number 4. Mr. Roy 4-inch foam paint roller covers. Introducing the Mr. Roy 4-inch foam paint roller covers. These mini rollers are perfect for a variety of projects, working with both oil and water-based paints. Experience a smooth and even finish every time. The high-density foam ensures no bubbles are left behind, providing a professional look. Designed with a stable inner tube, these covers offer a flexible rolling experience. They fit standard 4-inch roller frames for easy use. These rollers are perfect for painting flat surfaces. Use them on doors, cabinets, tables, chairs, and even radiators. Get more done with this convenient pack of 10 replaceable roller covers. They help you finish your painting tasks more efficiently. What we like. This small paint roller is designed for precision and efficiency. The high-density foam ensures a smooth, bubble-free application with both oil and water-based paints. If you're tackling detailed work like cabinets, doors, or furniture, and want a clean, professional finish without the hassle, this mini roller is your go-to. What people say. The foam roller is designed for smooth surfaces, providing a fine finish without drips or bubbles. It holds a good amount of paint and applies it evenly, making the painting process efficient. The roller is lightweight and easy to maneuver, reducing fatigue during extended use. Number 3. 6PCS House Paint Roller Kit. Introducing our adjustable paint roller kit, designed for your convenience. This set includes an extendable roller frame and multiple microfiber covers for effortless painting. Easily reach high ceilings and walls without a ladder. The adjustable extension allows you to set the perfect length in seconds, making your painting tasks simpler. Achieve a flawless finish every time. Our non-shedding microfiber covers ensure excellent paint absorption and a smooth, even coat without any splatter. Crafted with high-quality materials for long-term use. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, reducing fatigue during extended painting sessions. Experience a new, easier way to refresh your home. This versatile tool delivers professional results for all your interior and exterior painting projects. What we like. This adjustable painting roller kit is built for convenience and professional results. The extendable frame allows you to reach high ceilings and walls without a ladder, while the non-shedding microfiber ensures a smooth, even finish. If you're undertaking a large home painting project and want to save time and effort while achieving a flawless look, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. The rollers are easy to clean and reuse. They provide a smooth and even finish on walls. The handles are comfortable to grip, making painting less tiring. Number 2. Mini Paint Roller Set, 12-pack. Introducing a complete mini roller kit designed for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. It includes everything you need for your painting projects. Its compact 4-inch width offers greater precision, allowing easy access to tight areas. This makes touching up skirting boards or painting difficult spots a breeze. The foam roller covers are ideal for all water-based paints on flat surfaces like walls, skirts, and windowsills. Achieve a smooth finish with ease. The fabric roller covers are suitable for a wide range of paints, including wood stains and varnishes. They deliver the best results on smooth surfaces like wood, plaster, and tiles. This set features high-density foam and microfiber roller refills for efficient coverage. You'll get excellent results every time. Whether you're a professional tradesman or working on a domestic project, this essential set ensures you can tackle any painting task with confidence. What we like. This comprehensive mini paint roller kit provides everything you need for touch-ups and detailed work. It includes both foam and fabric roller covers, suitable for various paint types and surfaces, along with a tray and frame. If you need a versatile solution for painting tricky areas like skirting boards or furniture, and appreciate having all the necessary tools in one convenient package, this kit is an excellent option. What people say. The roller covers a wide area quickly and evenly. It's easy to clean and reuse, which saves money and reduces waste. The foam material doesn't shed, ensuring a smooth finish without lint. Number 1. 20 PCS Small Paint Roller Kit. Get everything you need for your next painting project with this comprehensive set. It includes a variety of rollers, brushes, trays, and even painter's tape, making it suitable for all your painting needs. Experience superior results with our high-density foam and non-shedding microfiber rollers. They are designed to provide even paint application and reduce paint buildup for a professional, smooth finish every time. Our paint tray is built to last, resisting corrosion and cracking. It ensures even paint distribution onto your rollers and brushes, and makes pouring paint mess-free. This kit also features a premium synthetic flat brush for smooth, stroke-free application. Plus, the included medium adhesive painter's tape ensures clean lines without bleeding or leaving residue. These mini rollers are ideal for a wide range of surfaces, including walls, cabinets, and furniture. They offer flexibility for detailed work in edges, corners, and for quick touch-ups. Not only do these tools provide excellent results, but they are also easy to clean and can be reused for multiple projects, offering great value. What we like. This extensive mini roller kit offers exceptional versatility with both 4-inch and 2-inch rollers, plus special caved-in edge foam rollers for reduced edge buildup. It comes with a full set of accessories, including a durable paint tray and painter's tape. If you're looking for precise control for detailed work, touch-ups, and painting in tight corners, and want a complete solution that ensures flawless finishes, this kit is ideal. What people say. The roller is easy to use and provides a smooth finish. It's great for painting walls and ceilings. The roller is durable and can be used multiple times. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.